In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Hotmail to Outlook. If you've had a Hotmail address for a while, you're already part of Microsoft's ecosystem, and everything now runs through Outlook.com. What we're doing here is making sure you're signed in on the modern Outlook interface and that your account details are up to date in your Microsoft account. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Outlook sign-in page from Microsoft. This ensures you're using the latest Outlook experience rather than an older Hotmail link. On that page, click Sign In. If you see a list of accounts you've used before, select the Microsoft account that corresponds to your Hotmail address. If you're asked to enter your credentials, do that on the official Microsoft page and proceed. If you're already signed in, you might go straight into your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click it to open your account menu. From there, choose My Microsoft Account. This takes you to your central account dashboard where Outlook, Hotmail, and other Microsoft services are managed together. If a prompt appears asking you to pick an existing account, just choose the same account you're using right now to continue. On your Microsoft account dashboard, select your info. This section is where you can review and update your personal details. Think of it as confirming that your Hotmail identity is fully aligned with Outlook's current setup. Here you can check your display name and profile photo and make sure your basic information is current. Keep in mind, updating your info here doesn't change your email address. It simply ensures your account looks and works correctly across Outlook and other Microsoft services. As you make adjustments, save any changes before navigating away. It can take a moment for updates to reflect back in Outlook. If you don't see updates right away in your inbox, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. That's the whole process. Sign in through Microsoft's Outlook portal, open your profile menu in the top right, go to My Microsoft Account, confirm the account if prompted, and use Your Info page to review and update your details. Your mail, contacts, and settings stay intact. And you continue using your same address, just within the Outlook experience. For quick access later, consider bookmarking the Outlook mail page so you can jump straight back to your inbox with your updated profile in place.